Hi there, I'm Chloe Crabtree and I blog at celebrateanddecorate.com. Welcome to this episode of Hometalk. I'm going to start out. Down here I have taken just some plain white paper. You can get these rolls of paper anywhere. And I have put down 2 layers. Now I'm going to move this out of the way. And then all I'm going to do is take any acrylic paint and a paintbrush, and we're just going to go and put X's and O's. Very casual, very fun. So we're just going to do X and then an O. And I'm doing a table for 2, but you could do this for a fun project for your kids. And if you wanted to draw hearts on here, or if you want to write, I love you instead of a card, you can do that. So all you're going to do is go down your paper runner with your paint. When you've done 1 row, next thing we're going to do is we're going to alternate. I made my runner long enough to fit just across my table because it's just going to be a table for the 2 of us, for my husband and I. And now I'm going to show you what else I'm going to do. I want to make this a little more special. So I am going to take some roses and pull off any of the sad looking little leaves. And then I'm going to tie a little length of this heart ribbon onto it. And I did that for, let me see, 7 roses. Okay, and I'll show you what I did next. And they will be hanging, and I'm going to tie them to a variety of the places on my chandelier. And same thing, you can do these from a chandelier, or you can stick push pins up in your ceiling and hang them that way. But I want to have several of them hanging at different lengths, like so. But we have our roses hanging over the table. I think my husband's going to be so surprised. Time to set our table. I picked up these fun hearts, these felt hearts, and I'm going to use them for my placemats. They came from the Dollar Tree, so $1. And I want to make my table kind of special. So I'm going to use my good china. But again, you can use dollar store chargers. I'm going to put a silver charger on each one because my china has silver on it. And I'm going to top that with a red plate with a silver rim in it. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it. I was thinking about putting my napkin under there, but I won't. An appetizer plate for the additional breaking up of the look there. Okay, same thing. Red there, the appetizer plate. And I'm gonna just go ahead and tuck my napkins under the edge of my charger. Give me a little more contrast. And go ahead and add my flatware. For stemware, why not champagne for Valentine's Day? So I'll go with these tall, elegant, and impressive champagne glasses and a nice goblet for water. And staying with this fun kind of look, I went with these nice round vases and added 3 more of the roses. Again, these were just grocery store flowers. And just like that, the Valentine's table is set. I hope this inspired you to do something fun like this for your Valentine come February 14th. Have a nice romantic dinner for 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Home Talk.